Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure the Poco has at least some charge and you know your PIN. If TalkBack is on, remember, single tap focuses an item, double tap activates it. Use 2 fingers to scroll. Swipe down with 2 fingers to reveal quick settings, then double tap the gear icon to open settings. Once done, navigate to accessibility. You'll need to focus items first and then double tap to enter menus. So take it step by step and don't rush the gesture sequence. You're in accessibility now. Find TalkBack by scrolling with 2 fingers or using the settings search and double tapping the result. Once you focus the TalkBack entry, double tap to open its settings page. This screen lists the toggle and related options. Use 2-finger scrolling to move through the list and be patient with focus changes. Make sure you see the on/off switch labeled TalkBack. Once focused, you're 1 step away from turning it off, so prepare to confirm any dialogue that appears. You'll now disable TalkBack. Focus the toggle, double tap to switch it off, and confirm any confirmation dialogue that appears. Enter PIN if prompted. Once off, test basic navigation with single taps and normal swipes, then restart the phone to clear residual behavior. If you can't interact to switch it off, try the hardware shortcut. Hold both volume keys for about 3 seconds, or connect a USB keyboard to navigate, or boot to safe mode and disable the service from settings. That one troubleshooting step usually fixes stuck accessibility controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.